Germany is doing well economically. An indicator of this is the real estate market. Rarely has so much been invested, rented, sold and built. At Expo Real, the largest European trade fair for the real estate industry, the topics of the sector get discussed. Low interest rates are currently firing the real estate market. Are there signs of another real estate bubble? I would say we have strong price increases in some metropolitan areas, we know that. I do not see an actual real estate bubble yet. What is missing in Germany is a massive increase in real estate loans. If we compare this with previous property price bubbles, then we see that the loans are not growing fast enough, meaning we are not yet in a bubble. If the monetary policy continues like this, we could be moving in that direction. When prices start to rise sharply, it is very difficult to put a brake on it. Despite the current development, real estate in Germany is in demand worldwide. The real estate market in Germany is very attractive above all to international investors because it generates a good return, so say the analysts. But in concrete terms, this means very low risk with fantastic economic development and sellable products, an exciting combination for international investors. The outcome of the Bundestag elections and the new coalition opportunity is one of the main topics at Expo Real nationally. The Federal Chancellor has removed rent control. The FDP policy is to abolish it. With the Green Party, it's a bit different. I expect, should it come to a coalition, that rent control will actually also be off the table. How do the experts at Expo Real rate the future rental situation on the local market? We will continue to have an increasing rental situation in the big cities. And the question is, what is going on here politically? Are we perhaps going to get measures from Jamaica, green initiatives regarding the topic of land speculation? That will suit the real estate sector down to the ground. What will the residential sector actually look like in the years to come? The industry sees this as the responsibility of politics. First, we need a stable government, and when we get this, then we have to solve our delivery problem. Because our problem, why we have too few apartments in metropolitan areas today, is not the availability of funds, also not of free plots of land, but it is the availability of building land. That means that we need building permits. So what we need is politics to get to grips with this. Not only is the housing market subject to increasing demand, but also commercial space is in high demand. There are both positive and negative aspects, because in the last 10 years we have had an increase in the number of office workers in Germany, which was no greater after the Second World War. So Germany is enjoying an extremely successful economic period. This is especially evident in the office market with rising rents, less construction projects, but now they're on the increase again. And so the sector has to face ever new challenges. The trend is clearly going towards flexibility. Today, nobody can foresee the future over longer periods of time anymore, so 15 years usage period is no longer feasible. This means that office space needs to change, as do people, and it must be able to react flexibly to the demands of the future. The future potential of the sector has also been recognized by Expo Real. Premier celebrates the Real Estate Innovation Network. With this platform, innovative startups get the opportunity to introduce their ideas to established real estate companies. In this way, joint solutions for a strong future of the sector will be found. Expo Real, Europe's most important trade fair for real estate and investment.